Hi guys, this is Berry. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to visit the Play Arena, which is located in Sajapur Road. Here they have a lot of games, so we started with the bowling. Once you stepped into the Play Arena bowling alley, where fun and excitement awaits, whether you are a seasoned bowler or a first timer, this place has everything you need for the fantastic time. First thing first, grab a pair of stylish and comfortable bowling shoes. Safety and style go hand in hand here. Choose from variety of brightly colored bowling balls, each one designed to help you score the perfect strike. Once you have got your gear, head your lane. The automated scoring system makes it easy to keep track of your game. Feel the thrill as you release the ball, watching it glide down the lane towards the pins. Will it be a strike or a spare? The anticipation is all part of the fun. Bowling at Play Arena is not just about the game, it's about the experience. Celebrate every strike and spare with friends and family. Here in these bowling lanes, actually few lanes are not in the what is it proper maintained. So since um, whenever we are striking the ball sliding away from the center. So but still we got a chance and made a perfect strike a couple of times. So if you need a break from bowling, then the Play Arena offers a variety of amenities and food options to keep you energized and entertained throughout your visit. And when you are ready to switch things up, explore the other exciting activities and arcade games that Play Arena has to offer. So I leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too
Thank you for watching. Catch you up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.